Hey guys, welcome back to our channel How To Tutorials. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to fix try searching to get started on YouTube. Firstly, go to YouTube. Once opened, tap on U on the bottom right corner of your screen. Then tap on the settings icon shown on the top right corner of the screen. Tap on Manage All History. This takes you to your YouTube history. Then tap on Delete. A bar opens up. Then tap on Delete All Time. Then YouTube asks you for confirmation. Then you may tap on Delete. Then YouTube informs you that all your YouTube history has been deleted. To proceed, you may tap on Got It. To check, you may go back and refresh your page. Now, you may see try searching to get started. In order to fix this, you have to watch a few videos of your interest. And what YouTube does is that it all suggests or recommends videos to you based on what you have watched before. So you may search videos and watch a few of them. Now, when you go back and reload the page, YouTube will start recommending you more videos. This is how you can easily fix try searching to get started on YouTube. If you find this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching.